Thanks for tuning in to today's episode of Medical Device Global Market Access by Pure Global. We frequently field a critical question from manufacturers. Our device has a European CE mark under the Medical Device Regulation, MDR. What is required to get FDA 510K clearance for the US market? It's a common assumption that a CE mark provides a shortcut to FDA clearance, but this is a misconception. The European Union and the United States have separate and independent regulatory frameworks. A CE mark does not automatically qualify a device for sale in the US, nor does it create an expedited pathway. However, the extensive work completed for your MDR submission provides a powerful head start. The technical documentation you compiled contains a wealth of information that can be leveraged. Data from design verification and validation, risk management compliant with ISO 14971, biocompatibility testing under the ISO 10993 series, and software validation can often be repurposed for your 510K submission. This is because both the EU and the FDA recognize many of the same international standards. The central pillar of a 510K submission is demonstrating substantial equivalence to a legally marketed device in the US, known as a predicate device. This is a fundamental difference from the European approach, which focuses on demonstrating conformity to general safety and performance requirements. Your first step is to identify a suitable predicate and prepare a detailed comparison of your device's intended use and technological characteristics against it. While your existing data is valuable, gaps must be addressed. Your Quality Management System, or QMS, certified under ISO 13485 for Europe, must also comply with the FDA's Quality System Regulation, found in 21 CFR Part 8 TOI. While the FDA is working to harmonize its regulation with ISO 13485 through the new Quality Management System Regulation, or QMSR, compliance with 21 CFR 820 remains the requirement today. You must ensure your procedures meet these specific U.S. regulations. Furthermore, the submission itself has a unique format. Since October 1, 2023, all 510K submissions must be submitted using the FDA's electronic submission template and resource, known as eSTAR. Your technical file will need to be reformatted and adapted to fit this structure. Finally, as a foreign manufacturer, you must appoint a U.S. agent to act as a point of contact with the FDA. In summary, while your CE mark documentation is an excellent foundation, achieving 510K clearance requires a dedicated U.S. strategy that addresses the unique requirements of substantial equivalence, quality systems, and submission formats. If navigating the complexities of a 510K submission seems daunting, Pure Global is here to help. Our experts specialize in bridging the gap between European and U.S. regulations. We invite you to check out how we can accelerate your global market access. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you next time.